Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and today we're going to be discussing what is the American rhythm style.
There are 5 dances in the style, including cha-cha, rumba, swing, bolero, and mambo. Cha-cha, rumba, swing being the more beginner of the 5 dances itself, but all 5 encompass the style of American rhythm. Different than the international Latin styles, even cha-cha, rumba being in both styles, the patterns are different, the technique is different, and the style is recently growing and was created by the franchises originally to make it easier to social dance.
So this is great to dance to faster music, obviously more Latin music except for the swing. So it's a great way to start learning and dancing with a partner. You can compete, you can perform, but also this was more designed for social dancing in the beginning. So it's a great way to learn if you're just starting out. Right now we do have cha-cha up on our channel. We are working on the rest of the selections for you. We have a wedding style of the rumba, which is a great way to learn, especially if you're just starting out. So go check that out, and we will have the rest up eventually, so stay tuned for that. And be sure to check out our website, ballroomfeed.com, where we have all of our content. We do have some here for free on YouTube as well. So be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.